Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. This is Audra with MyBlindCo, and this video will be about the reports that we have available. You can access these reports on the website version, the browser version, and we do turn these on for you. So if you don't see it, give us a call, shoot us an email, and we can activate those for you. So big ones that I think are really useful are marketing reports and lead management reports. So you can actually give us all your lead sources. When you add a contact in MyBlindCo, there's a spot that says, how'd you hear about us? That's so you can track where your leads are coming from. And you can give us your customized list and we can put it in the software. And then you'll be able to run reports on number of appointments per lead source, total sales per lead source, dollar amount per lead source, closing rates, how many appointments of that lead source turn into jobs. You can run all those reports, and it's you can set it by date range too. I should have mentioned that, guys. This is just a demo company, so we don't have a lot of data in here, but for your companies, you'll get a lot of good information. The next section is sales reports. So you can get total sales by your sales rep, the closing ratio by your sales rep, get a feeling of how many appointments they go on and how many of those appointments they're closing, they're turning into jobs. How many quotes are converted to orders by salesperson, lots of telling information. Next is customer summary reports. This is actually a good report too. This tells you your customers, order amount, payment received, balance due, sales tax. Again, you can date range it and also set it up to show a report just for one of your sales people or all of your salespeople. Better yet, you can also export this to Excel if you want to do some further analysis. Payment status is a new report that's really great for keeping track of open orders. So it will have your customer name, order number, the number of days since converted to an order, balance due, the status of that order. And again, this report can also be set by a date range and also selected on a per user basis or your whole company. This is a great way to keep track and make sure orders don't stay open for a ridiculous amount of time. Last but not least, we have our lead management report. This ties in with our new feature that allows you to manage your contacts separate than just customers. You can actually manage the different statuses of a lead. From unassigned, you can assign that lead to a salesperson and put that salesperson in charge of getting that lead appointment scheduled. So that's why we have first contact, second contact, appointment scheduled, and then most importantly, quoted. So this will actually, you can actually see all the open quotes in the system. It will tell you the dollar amount quoted, number of days that's lapsed since quoted, and the salesperson assigned to it. So again, a great way to see those open jobs, see what kind of dollars you have in the pipeline, and most importantly, convert those quotes to orders. Hope these reports help with just managing your business and making more money. Thank you all. Let us know if you have any questions.